Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before discussing the job opportunity, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker, then this will definitely gonna help you, and you can also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us, and also follow us on Instagram for future videos. And yeah, with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So today we will talk about a job opportunity from Amazon, and they are hiring for IT service support associates. So we will quickly jump to the description of this job. So these will be your responsibilities, or these are the requirements for the IT service desk analyst. Okay, so their support operations are open for 24 by 7, and being able to work as assigned schedule that falls within our operating hours is required and expected. So you will be working in 24 by 7 shift. There will be rotational shifts and you can be assigned to any shift. Okay, now, available shift may include afternoon, evening, and nights, and typically they include one or both weekend days, and schedule are subject to change. Okay, so you will have your weekend on the rotational basis. Your weekend will not be Saturday, Sunday. Okay, then the requirements are review written communications to ensure adherence to policy and ensures messages are received in a timely manner, and research, review, and respond to inquiries received via web chat, telephone calls, and email ticketing system, and all in a timely manner in accordance with team standards, and creates and submits detailed call logs documenting customer interactions that are accurate, thorough, and timely, and inform customer to needed remedies and answer basic questions, and follow all standard operation procedure through the effective use of knowledge management, and acquire and maintain current knowledge of relevant company policies in order facilitate communications, and willingness to work flexible shifts and scheduling including night, weekend, and holidays. Okay, so these will be the requirements for this job, and this is the requirements, or other requirements are there. So review written communication to insurance, these are the one which we have discussed already. Okay, so this is something different, so we will discuss this. So create and submits detailed call logs documenting customer interactions that are accurate, through and timely, and inform customer of needed remedies, then answer the basic question, and act as a customer license for the computing operation, communicating, resolving, and initiating the resolution of the problem and concerns. Okay, so basically this is a kind of customer care job. Okay, so they will be posting you to the at the designation of IT service support associate, and you will be resolving customers queries kind of job. Okay, so the basic qualification you need to apply for this job are 10 plus 2 or diploma or graduate. Okay, so if you have done your 12th, or if you have done diploma, or if you have done graduation, then you can apply for this job. You need a strong verbal and written English communication skills. Okay, so you should have a strong communication skills, both verbal and written. 6 months of experience in an IT or customer service role, troubleshooting with the ability to decipher technical technology, and explain the situation or issues in layman's terms for the customer. Okay, so basically 6 months of experience in any firm, working in any firm. So if you have 6 months of experience, then you are eligible for this job. The ability to quickly adapt to different operating system while including PC hardware or software issues and software incompatibilities. Okay, so you should have ideas about operating systems and PC hardware. and also able to apply critical thinking to determine next steps in needed to resolve contexts, and ability to empathize with the prioritize internal customer needs, and display a commitment to quality and strong multitasking skills, and adherence to shift schedules and timeline are key requirements. So basically, any graduate can apply for this job, or any 12th or diploma holder can apply for this job, provided they should have some working experience in any field, and they should have strong communication skills, the verbal communication and written communication both, and you should be punctual to your timelines. Okay, so this is all the basic requirements, so any graduate are eligible to apply for this job. The preferred qualifications will be strong soft skills to deal with varying forms of communications, and the ability to decipher technical terminology and explain in a layman's terms in your customer, and able to effectively create trouble tickets that are clear and concise to the issue and resolution, and be able to think in logical steps to resolve the issue at hand, and able to adapt to fast paced environment. And Amazon is an equal opportunity employer, minority, women, disability, veteran, gender identity, and sexual orientation and age. So Amazon will provide you equal opportunity for employment. Okay, so these are the preferred qualifications. So this is the job requires very basic qualifications. So if you are one who want to apply for this job, then do apply, because it's Amazon. So whether it is a customer care job or anything, they will pay you a good salary, and also Amazon is a brand, so you can like this will be a good opportunity for you. Okay, so if you want to apply for this job, then I will provide this link in the description box. You need to go to the link and click on this apply now button, and complete your job application, and for further communication they will coordinate to you through your email ID, so you need to check that on daily basis. Oh yeah, so this is all for today's job update, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button, and also subscribe to Jobker for future updates, and follow us on Instagram at Jobker_official, and the link will be in the description box. Also, you can go to the link also. And yeah, if you have any comments, then do comment down. I will be really happy to help you. This is all for today's video. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.